In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice search. By the end, you'll be confidently using your voice to ask questions in Perplexity AI and getting fast, accurate answers without typing a thing. Start by opening Perplexity AI on your phone or in your web browser. Look for the small microphone or voice icon, usually near the search bar. That's your shortcut to hands-free querying. When you're ready, tap the microphone. If it's your first time, your device may ask for permission to use the microphone. Go ahead and allow it so the app can hear you. Now speak your question naturally, just like you would to a person. Clear, complete questions work best. For example, instead of saying weather, try, "What's the weather forecast for tomorrow in my city?" The more context you include, the better the answer will be. If you're in a noisy place, try to move somewhere quieter or bring the microphone closer to your mouth for clearer audio. As you talk, Perplexity AI will listen and then transcribe your words on screen. This is helpful because you can quickly confirm it understood you. If the text doesn't match what you said, simply stop, tap the microphone again, and repeat your question a bit more clearly or slowly. You don't need to shout, normal volume is perfect. Once your speech is captured, the app will generate a response. You'll see a thoughtful, concise answer appear, often with helpful context. Take a moment to read through it. If you need more detail or a different angle, this is where voice search becomes really powerful. It supports continuous follow-up questions. That means you don't have to start over or restate everything. Just tap the microphone again and say something like, "Explain that in simpler terms," or "Give me an example," or "Compare the first and second options." Perplexity remembers the context of the conversation, so your follow-ups build naturally on what you just learned. A few quick tips for great results. Speak in full sentences, include key details like timeframes or locations, and be specific about what you want: summaries, comparisons, step-by-step guidance, or definitions. If your query involves personal details, leave them out and keep it general. And if you ever want to switch from voice to typing, you can always edit the transcribed text before sending. That's it. Tap the microphone, speak your question, watch it transcribe, and get your answer. Then keep the conversation going with voice follow-ups. Try it now and enjoy searching faster, smarter, and hands-free.